in rebellion, I'm telling you now, the reason why they're in rebellion is because you are in rebellion somewhere in your walk with God. And these things manifest in your kids. I know, kids will be kids. It's not a very popular thing to hear. But when you are submitted to God, you will have power to raise your kids under authority. It is the pattern of God. We need to have that power of authority to know where that power and strength comes from. You know, I talk about it a lot, you know, when I was in the Army. When I'm in the Army, though, they tell me how to dress, when to wake up, when to exercise, what exercises to do, how far I'm going to run, when I'm going to stand up straight, when I'm going to relax, when I'm going to sit down, when I'm going to stand up, when I'm going to eat, when I can go back to sleep, and how long I can sleep when I go back to sleep. And these drill sergeants would enforce these rules gleefully. But here's the kicker. They could only enforce those rules as long as they were in submission to the Army. And the Army is in submission to the United States government. See how that submission and power go hand in hand. So when your drill sergeant told you to drop and push the earth, it wasn't the drill sergeant telling you that. It was none other than the President of the United States telling you to drop and push the earth. It was that person telling you you're going to go and run 6 miles today with your rucksack on. It was that person that was going to tell you that your standard is to put 15 or 17 shots of 20 in a target 300 yards away. When I put on my uniform in the Army, I could not go and get those cool Class A dress Marine uniforms. I couldn't. I'd had to wear them drab, olive green Class A's. And trust me, if I had done my research, I probably would have been a Marine just because of those Class A's. But I had to wear the Army ones. And I couldn't even wear one of those cool officer's cap. I had to wear the BDU cap. Now they've changed it over to berets. It made it look real cool. But back then they had the little cap, the little lids. We did all that because by submitting to those rules made us stronger. Submitting to the 15K road marches made our legs stronger. Laying in the foxhole at 2 in the morning made our minds stronger. And the more we submitted, the stronger we became. The more we submitted, the stronger that we became.